I chose to research facilitate managing information and resources. One website I found that was really neat is the Diigo website. It's diigo.com. It has a lot of good tools in order to help students manage their information. They can collect their different websites into one spot. They can highlight and put sticky notes onto websites or PDF documents. They can make outlines on it, and they can share what they have. So students will go to a regular website, and as long as they have Diigo on their computer, then they can have these different features that come up. So a student can highlight important information. So I see this tool really being used for doing any sort of research in the classroom. So you can discuss with students about what you would want to highlight on a website. You can also make sticky notes as well and put them onto the website, and you can move them wherever you think it'd be best. And then you can bookmark the website so then you can go back to it later. So when I go back to my Diigo account now, I can see here is the website I was just at, and I can go back to that website. I can see the sticky note, and I can see what I highlighted on it. So, and if I got a really long list, then there's also a search tool to help filter. So students could really do lots of research on a topic and be able to organize it in a better way and clearly see the different information that is the most important part from that website. Then they can go to the outliner and they can make a new outline. And this is a feature where they can go ahead and they can decide to put information in about tornadoes. And so they could input that website that they have, as well as include other information. So this would be a good tool for students in order to get all their information and organize it in an easy way. And then it also has a share feature, so it could be shared then with the teacher. It has a few other important things, but those are the two main things I can see using in the classroom with students the best. So we talked with URL, the cost, the features. I couldn't find that many reviews on it. It seems like it's relatively new, but there were a few websites that gave it very high remarks, saying it was a great tool. And when I look back at the UDL website, how does this help learners meet the goal? It really helps them in order to manage their information in one spot, and it's accessible anytime. How does this account for the variability of all learners? Learners can really make it whatever they want it to be. They can include as much or as little information. So it's really customizable to their taste. And are learners being helped in managing their learning? Yes, they are. I think in the classroom you'd want some guidance in order so they know what to bookmark and what to highlight and what to sticky note. But really it is a good tool in order to organize, in order so that they can go back to all their different information. So overall, I believe Diigo is a great website in order to help students organize.